I was thinking, it's laws against this type of stuff. When somebody's locked up, especially under federal holding, amounts should be exempt from the person paying, and also I'm on supplemental income. Like this ain't doing nothing but just killing me. Like might as well just take my life because I ain't got no money like that. I'm trying. I
That
can
what
pay
you can
bare
do
minimum.
is you're going to keep talking or you're going to listen.
Before the court is Joshua Lane of cases 083102 DC, case 161840 DS, and case 192042 DS. In each of these matters, Mr. Lane is here today after failing to appear before referee Coleman on November 17th, 2023. In the first case, bond is currently set at $2,020. This is the fourth bench warrant. In the second case, bond is currently $6,919. This is the second bench warrant. And in the third case, bond is currently $1,976, and this is the first bench warrant. He reports no employment. Last payment made on these accounts was on December 1st of 2023. That was through income withholding through DFAS. Front of the court recommends that reasonable bonds be set in these matters and they be scheduled for hearing on December 20th, 2023 at 8:45 a.m. before this court.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Lane, you're before the court charged with civil contempt of court due to your failure to appear at a prior hearing as a result of your failure to pay child support. Purpose of this hearing is to set a bond that would assure your tenants at the next hearing on December 20, 2023 at 8:45 a.m. You will get notice of that in writing. Are you able to post a bond, sir?
Well, if I could be like straight up front, because this is the first time I'm receiving anything. I've been on house arrest, tethered to my sister's house at 23 Illinois, fighting another case. I just got out of Newaygo County Jail, and since I've been in Newaygo County Jail, all these amounts have been accumulating. I was thinking, it's laws against this type of stuff. When somebody's locked up, especially under federal holding, amounts should be exempt from the person paying, and also I'm on supplemental income. You know what I'm saying? I only get the amount I'm getting, and I'm seeing, like, when I last seen, it was a while ago, like right before I got locked up, I was paying $965 or some amount for two kids, and I'm getting $991 for Social Security disability. I'm like, I can't afford none of this. Like, I'm not rich at all. I don't got no money like that. Like, this ain't doing nothing but just killing me. Like, might as well just take my life because I ain't got no money like that. I'm trying. I can pay bare minimum.
Sir, you can always file a petition to modify support, but that
I can't. I'm on house arrest. Like, everything is against me right now. I ain't got no means to do anything. Everything I gotta do, I gotta report to a judge and report to my PO.
Are you gonna keep talking or are you gonna listen?
Okay, go ahead.
I said you can file a petition with the court to have a modification of your child support. You can get the petitions at the clerk's office. If you're under house arrest, you'll have someone else pick those up for you. You can fill those out, send them in, or have somebody drop them off. But it sounds like on what you're saying that you should have the matter reviewed, but the court doesn't do that on its own initiative. You have to take the initiative to do that. And if you don't, then you suffer the consequences of that. Getting back to my original question, are you able to post a bond in these cases?
Not until like the 22nd or 23rd of this month. That's when I get my next payment, and it's only $991. I could try some bare minimum today. Like, if there's anything you can accept.
Okay. Well, what I'm going to do is, you do have the fourth bench warrant one. You have sizable arrearage. what I'm going to do is I'm going to set your bond in each case in the amount of $100. If you're able to post that, you'd be able to be released. Do you have any questions?
Okay, so each case the amount of 100. So how many cases?
You have 3 cases, so it'd be $300.
$300.
Yep.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. You're free to go.
All right, sir.
You can leave, sir. You don't have to stay.